Now you can see here. I will show you the example means I can show you. Writing the codes, all of them means again I need to design the complete thing. In that case, I can explain some other doubts also here. Now you can check. Now this card is there, ma. This card is height completely minus 400 pixel. That's it only. This card height is 400 pixel. The card requirement is that much only. That one they are taking. That's it. We now you can say requirement is this much only. I can't take the 100 VH now. This card requirement is that much only. That's why they are taking this much only. So here only we will use this much height. Here only we will use. Now you can check the navbar which you are seeing of the Amazon. It is a nearly 50 to 60 pixel, but I am taking the 70 pixel of the navbar. It is a depends on the client requirement how much height they want. That's it. Which property, Shahil? Sir, in the navbar, how to align the position? For example, Amazon logo is left side, and so how to? Yeah. So whenever I'm creating the navbar, we are using the different properties, right? Harish, can I ask you something? Are you attended my classes? This is your first class, huh? Harish, are you there? Okay. These many doubts you have means when I'm asking the no doubts, any doubts are there? Why you are not speaking in the offline that too? Guys, just a second, guys. 2 minutes. Yeah, okay, Harish, fine. So, see here. Uh, yeah. See here, guys. Now, simply Harish asked about the one out call Amazon logo, how to align on the UI. So that one only we are seeing. So I'm designing the taking the three sections. One is the logo section, and same thing. Navigation and profile, same thing I'm taking here. Logo, navigation, and after that profile. So these things only I need to target here. So simply I'm taking the nav as a height as a 70 pixel. So width already it is taking. I'm writing here as a display flux, align items center, justify content, space evenly. So whenever I'm using the like this, what is happening? Display flux means it is aligning the items in the side by side. Now align item center means it will align the items in the vertically center. Justify content means horizontally it will give the space equally for the each and every item. So for the logo alignment, I need to easily just 10 to 15% of size is enough for me. So what I will do here, nav section colon first child, I'm making as a flux basis of 15 percentage. Flux basis of 15 percentage. Now nav section colon nth child of 2 flux basis of 60 percentage I'm taking. Now along with that nav section colon nth child of 3. So I'm taking it as a flux basis 75 25 percentage. So here I'm applying the section border solid red I'm giving. Now if I run the HTML page, now if you observe carefully here, so this is the logo is there, right? Now I'm dividing everything ma. First I'm using the nav tag. For the nav tag I'm using the height is the 70 pixel. Display flux I used. When I use the display flux, it should be aligned in the side by side. So after that, what is happening now inside the logo? I want to make it as a center. So it is nothing but a one section only, right? If you observe, logo is nothing but a one section. So for the section, I'm writing the directly display flux, align items center, justify content center. That's it. Now I can check automatically the logo will be aligned at the center. Now these things also will target it. Why these things are targeted means because these things also are section only. These two are also a section only. Due to that reason, those also will target it. No, sir, for this, I don't want the justify content center. I want justify content start only. So I will use as a start only for this element. See here, first logo or second child I want. Now you can check. It is the start only, but both the two things are in the middle only. Is it clear, Harish? Now how to align this one? Shubham Dalvi. Yeah, it is good one, Ray. Do one thing. For the outer one, you need to give the padding. Just check this one. Everything is good only. Make one beautiful container for that. Wow, Sarah. Okay. Shahil, till much done. Need more properties, huh? We discuss flux, justify content, align items. And some more properties means, yeah. Next one is a flux direction. Scale and skew, please. Okay, before going to that, I will discuss about the flux direction. Now, flux direction means if I want to apply the display flux, it should be everything should be aligned in the single row. But I want it to the making it a column. Now you can check here. I'm applying the display flux. All are in the making in the single row only. When I will use the flux direction column. Now you can check everything will be converted into the columns only. This is the use case of flux direction. Now same like that we have a flux basis. You can see flux grom is equally distributed. Flux shrink means when I decreasing my screen size, according to that it should be decreased. Next one, what do we have? A gap. Gap is used to give the space around the elements, flux elements. That is nothing but a gap property. Next, what do we have in the flux? Order, you know, right? Already order is used to give the order for the elements. Okay. Scale and skew. Yeah, flex grow equally distributed, Nama. Article. So now we can check here article. Article I'm using as a height as a 100 pixel, width as a 100 pixel. Border solid green. So you can check here. So when I will apply, now here you can check if I will apply the transform scale X. If I apply the transform scale X2, I'm giving means it will increase the width of the screen in the X axis. It will double on the X axis. If I will use the scale Y, if I use the scale Y, here what will happen? It will increase the scale in the format of Y axis. This is nothing but a scale. Now skew means it will change the shape, rhombus shape like that. So in that we need to give the skew. X means I am writing as a 45 degrees. So it will make the rhombus shape for us. 45 degree. You can check it is making a rhombus shapes for us. This is nothing but a skew. Sir, I put inside the scale. Okay. So Harish, you have a camera, right? It means mobile inside the mobile you have a cameras. That one we will discuss, Nama. In the projects we will do that one. Yeah, Harish, you have a mobile, right? In the mobile camera is there. When you are increasing the zoom, is it behaving like a pixels or exa? Here also we are doing that one only. We are zooming the element. We are zooming the element. We are not decreasing on grid. We are zooming the element. Now you can check 0.6x is there 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. Why we are not mentioning it as a pixel? We need to zoom, that's it. Is it clear now? Jahil, we will do that one task ma in the project. Yeah. Or else we will take the direct Misho project only. I will display those things for you. Yeah. Yeah, guys, offline people, you don't have any doubts, huh? Seriously, no doubts you have? Boys, no doubts, huh? Girls, if no doubt means I am very happy, Re. Seriously. What are the content I am giving you? Understanding very good. Animations. Okay. Animation is used to create one type of operation which will perform n number of times. It means again and again I want to perform that one means at that time we are using the animations ma. So in that we have two types of structures at the rate keyframes we need to use. So at the rate keyframes we need to use to create the structure. Now inside that we have a totally two structures from and to. From and to. Now you can say for this article only I want to apply animation called color. So what I will do here at the rate keyframes identifier color change from background color red to background color green. So I want to apply this color. So here I am writing the animation name. First property I need to use. What is the animation name here? Color change. After that animation duration 2 seconds. So animation iteration count I am writing as an infinite because infinite times I need to perform that one. So animation direction I'm using as an alternate. Alternative I want to perform that one. So what we have animation timing function. So linear is there. Yeah, linear. It means linear means normal it will perform. Now you can check ma. So it in 2 seconds it is behaving like that. Red to green, green to blue. N number of times I want to perform. Infinite times I want to perform. At that time we are using this animations only. Is it clear, Harish? Now if I want to change the multiple colors means what I will do multiple it means parts I want to divide means at that time we are using the that 0 to 100% structure is there, right? How many parts we want to divide, that many parts we can do and we can use. Put in all means see here Shahil, if it is a unvisited means then only it will change. If you already visited those links means it will not change, Shahil. Just check it once. For me it is all are looking like a same color only in the screenshot. All are looking like a same only for me. Jahanavi, which one Senma? Nice one. You added the box shadow also for that, right? Yeah, good one. This one. Transition. Nice one, John, with this transition also. Nice. Really good, this one. Then what is the issue, Shahil? Already visited, right? Jahan, we do one thing, we'll add one thread also. It will also look good then. Rotate any line and add one thread with these things. Actually, it is also good only. Seriously, it was good. All three are the nice ma. Very good. Harish, I am not getting your doubt. Ma, put in all means what do you mean that? That is transition ma. Transition property for. Transition property for we need to use all. Yeah, not for the animation. Yes, ma. For that, you need to understand the 3D animations. For that, cubic transitions are there. You need to understand that things. Then it is possible. So much of patience you need to do for that. See, I will show you one 3D art. Cube is there, na? Rotation of the cube we did. So many properties we need to use for that. See, 3D means like this. We need to design. Now, to design this cube only, it will take 2 hours for me, re. We need to have so much of patience. Everything we need to do. Yeah, you can try. If you means I will give you a suggestion like this, you can try. You can. This is also one type of 3D animation only. Cube rotations. I have so much of patience, but tell some requirements to do that one, sir. If you have that much of patience, means don't waste on this. Try to design the web landing pages. How many landing pages is possible? Just design that landing pages. It is easy for you. Then you get to know what type of properties we need to use there. If you're understanding means it is easy. If you're not understanding means it is difficult. Depends on you, Ray. Yeah, you can leave Shahil. Yeah, then it is easy only, Harish. I didn't create anything like that, Retilet. My websites are all the live only. Live websites are there. Project websites. How to do delay? Okay, sir. Can you Sridhar, those all are the things. Delay. Sir, when open the page, transition properties are aligned automatical. How to delay? So transition delay you can give now. Or else those things we can do the JavaScript event functionalities. Even one concept is a JavaScript. When you load at that time, slowly it will load at a time. Transition delay, animation delay you need to give. If you are using the animation means animation delay you need to give. Transition means when you hover then only it will work now. Transition if you wanna see means you need to hover then only you need to execute that one. Give the transitions on the hovers ma. Then you can easily check. Or else try to give the transition delay. At least 5 seconds you will give means the tab switching time you will get now to switch the tab. Yeah, obviously I did so many pages there. Video burger task, how to do images moving at a time, sir. For both of them, they are using the same functionality, same class, same things. They did just they did a transform the what we call which batch that was this one only. Yeah. For both of them, they given the at a time same functionalities. That's it. One is coming from the right side, one is coming from the left side. That one we need to manage and we need to utilize those things. Sir, why you are going? Why? How to hover that? Which one, Ray? Why you are going to coming in where you are, where, what is the reason behind it? I got the opening in the UI, I came, that's it. One is left 0 pixel, another one is right 0 pixel. Yeah, that one we need to align in the center. Right 50%, left 50%, it will move like that. So that one we need to adjust that one. While you are doing, you will get to know those things. Yeah. Okay, Harish. Actually, I am a full stack developer, Harish. I got a chance in the front end. So anything is fine for me. Mine love also back end only. First I tried the back end, after that I got in the front end chance, I went. That's it. It doesn't mean I will go there only I need to settle. Everything is a coding only, right? After coming to this front end, I'm loving front end also. So many magics we can create in the front end. No, Ray, I am not topper. I am a backbencher. I don't know those points. My story is completely different only. Yeah, I am a backbencher only. Ah, like that means I am topper on backbencher topper. I agree with that. But which techniques, Ray? That video use animation property or transition property. So, my guess this is a transition, Ray. They recorded, right? So I can't tell which one they are using. Continuously it is working or only once they recorded, I don't know. But make sure that make by the transition only. When you hover on it, it should work. It is looking good. So try with the transition only, Sridhar. Sir, in your mind, those are all how you get, sir. Like some suggestions for sometimes network issues, sir. Some network issues, sir. Can you repeat which project will have to do? Ah, that is choice is yours only. Nobody is telling what should I do. Then I will tomorrow is Sunday only, right? I will select one project and Monday I will tell this project we are doing. That's it. Ah, like that it will come, Re Harish. We can't tell any suggestions for that. So if you want to change, It is not possible, Ray. Unique one, that one. Upload this task you given. Do one thing. Just take a screenshot and send me, ma. Yeah. Any transition properties like that means take a video and just send me in the chat. What is behind the reason? Tell me that one, sir. What reason, Ray? Unique means unique only. What I will do nothing, ma. Just how I am behaving like that. That's it. There is no secret, nothing. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, nice one. You're welcome, Harish. Yeah, nice one, Shishil. Good. The design is good, very good. Really, it is looking like real one only. Good, Sushil. If you want to be just back and you will be pushed to the backup. Front end JS React. Sir, HTML is nice but wants to become a standalone front-end developer. Don't be like that only, Sushil. Try to adapt to all the languages because when you're going for the any companies for MNCs or anything else, they don't want to become only front-end only. There might be chances that they will push in the SAP also. There might be chances they will push in the backend also. They might be they will push in the support also. You need to support for all of them. Just what you are learning is nothing the key only for that. That's it. Standalone friend developer, it is a good decision only, but just adopt yourself to all the languages. Yeah, just adopt all the language. That's it. If you're going for the MNC means we can't say this thing only will happen for you. So many friends are there. They're also doing like that only. Uh, yeah, you're working right. Then you know already those things. My friend is there. She's the Java full stack. Now she's working for the support database. The interview they given on the Java, but yeah, she's doing support. One of my friend also Java full stack, Spring Boot. Those things interviews happened. Now he is working on the SAP project. He is learning and he is doing the work SAP. So in MNCs we can't say that we will they will give you this work only. Everything we need to do. Adjusting classes in work. Yeah. Sir, can you please some HR questions for me? I have sir. Harish, first learn how to frame the sentence రే. అన్ని బూతులే ఉన్నాయి అందులో. First learn how to sentence, sir. Can you please tell me some HR questions? For me, I have, sir. That's why I'm asking. Sir, first better to learn JavaScript before Angular. Yes, ma. First learn the English first. Framing the sentence. Shushil, if you want to learn the Angular JS means first mandatory, you need to learn the JavaScript. Why? Because the functions which we are using in the JavaScript, same to same only we are using the Angular only. JavaScript is the base for all of them. Angular JS, React JS, Ember JS, Backbone JS, so many JS are there, frameworks and libraries. If you want to go to learn those things, you need to understand what is JavaScript first, how it is working. Those all they will not explain there, ma. When you're going for the advanced things, basic nobody will explain. Just they will tell here you need to use that one. They will write like that only. Here you need to use this one only. Here I will do because I am also teaching the React. I will not go for the basic again. I will tell, okay, this is the scenario. You need to use this one. That's it. Uh, not like that. Not like that. You need to focus on it. Just that's it. That's it. Just focus on that. Everything is easy only. That Angular also created by human only. If you can focus properly, do practice, easily you can learn. When I'm learning the React also, I think the same thing only. Yeah, it is not a easy thing. When I'm learning a web tech also, I'm thinking the same thing. So we will never get understand the web tech. Today I am only teaching the web tech. We can't say like that this is not understandable. We need to change the way of seeing that one. That's it. If you can see in the one way, it is difficult for you. If you just change the way, if I will start shouting, means no one sit in my class, Shishil. So many escalations will be happen for us. No, 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 no. Not like that. Shishil. Everywhere shouting is not a good thing. Some people are there, they will learn by telling the smooth manner only. So in that manner, it is happening means happening. That's it. See, if shouting only is the one of the reason means in your school days also teacher will shout every day, right? Every day he is shouting, huh? No, right? You need to learn. That's it. If you want to earn, you need to learn. Check my video, sir. This is over. Oh, sorry, Sridhar. Just a second. I'm downloading that one. Mute for the others. How to hover two parts, move at the same time by using the hover and transition property. So yeah, I will check that one. Shushil, sorry, Sridhar, do one thing, ma. What now you are doing for the individual one, right? So do one thing, Sridhar. There, you will give the hover property on the section directly. When you hover on the section, these elements will move like that. I show you, right? When I hover on it, this box should be applied. Yesterday only we seeing, right? So like that you can do. Sir will teach me all Telugu words. Definitely, Sushil. From where you want to start? Sridhar, is it clear for you? Yeah, fine. Just do it on the parent property. When I will hover on the parent, just do it for the children will move. Then it will also good only. No, no, Re. Same to same time until analysis batch completed. There is no chances to change the time. Sridhar is Neha, are you there? Okay. Who is this? Hello, Re. Who is this? Hello? Pavan or Sushil. Where is hello? Ali is there. Yeah, guys, no doubt means you can leave. Online people also, offline people also. Happy weekend, guys. So you did not tell any project, right? So I will only decide one project on Monday. We will start that project. Okay. Now, guys, can leave. Happy weekend to all. Take care.